Dear Amazon sellers, did you know that product bundles can instantly boost your average order value without spending a single extra dollar? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to create powerful bundles that not only increase revenue but also strengthen your brand presence inside Amazon. This is a product detail page for this product, and they have created these two bundles, and this is totally free. By the way, this can save a lot of dollars for you. This can increase your sales. Let me show you how. Here is a product detail page. You can see this seller is paying something to Amazon to show their product here. And whenever buyer will click on this product, this seller will pay something to Amazon. So you can say averagely this seller is paying $1 for this space to cover on this product detail page. And same is the way this seller is self-targeting their products in the like product targeting, and they are paying something to Amazon for this space. Now I will show you how we can save, how we can use this space in free. So in the bundles, we are using same kind of space, even more than one product targeting space, and we are not paying anything to Amazon. And this is not limited to one or two bundles. We can have like five bundles under one product. And yes, we can combine two, three, four, and five, any combination of products. Let's proceed. I will show you how to create powerful bundles. On your Seller Central, click on menu bar and then go to the brand section, click on virtual bundles. Now you have to choose two products strategically, like choose any of two products which have best possible chances that buyers can buy both of them in a bundle, so you can have a good number of sale on your bundles as well. I have already made the bundles combinations here, so please do it yourself by before creating any bundles. So you can have all the essence in a sheet and make different kind of combinations, and from the data you can see which are the best options to combine, or even you can combine randomly. This will be increasing your overall sale. So I will be selecting first SN here, and I will add. Now I will be choosing the second SN for this bundle. By the way, this bundle will show under one out of these two products. We have option to choose where to show this bundle. Okay, here I am choosing second product. I forgot to select first one. Okay, let's add it again. Okay, these two products are added to the bundle. Now we have to choose a main image. I already designed the main image. Even we can choose from here, but I would prefer to have a main image that will cover both of these products. Now we can select images from here, and I'm adding all the best possible images, which is worth to add in this bundle. Okay, these are enough. Let's save, and now we have to add a title. I have already crafted a title that is covering these both products, and these titles are more focused on conversion as compared to the search. And we can add any price under the combined price, like both the prices. If we combine, it will be $25.98. Let's say I am adding 24.95. So we have to give a discount for this. That's what I'm giving here, like 3.96% discount. But we will only pay this whenever someone is buying both of our products in this bundle. If they are circulating around our products and they are again buying one product, like we are showing this bundle here, they're clicking on the bundle, and they are again scrolling, and they are again going to our another product and buying one. So we will not be paying for the bundle. We only pay if they buy both of our products combined. Now we have to add bullet points. So we can add any bullet points from any of our products. I'm adding randomly. You can add as you want. Okay, it's mixed up. Let's come copy it again. Okay, for the next one, I'm copying it again. Next bullet point. So these are the bullet points I have added in this bundle, and I can add any SKU name. So because I will be creating a lot of bundles, so it will be mixing up their names. I will just choose like bundle one, bundle two, bundle three, and save and publish. That's it. Like it will be consuming only 2 to 3 minutes to create a bundle, but it will give you a lot of value. Like I have total 65 products and I have made different combinations, and these are almost 130. So I will be having 130 spots on Amazon for free. Like on this product detail page, this seller is paying almost $1 whenever someone clicking here. We are having this kind of space 130 time on Amazon product detail pages, and we will not be paying anything. So it's a lot of money we can save, and it will be giving us good number of conversions and sale boost, and it will increase our order value. If you are serious about scaling your Amazon business, let me help you. I offer complete Amazon catalog management, growth strategy, PPC campaigns, and SEO optimization. Everything you need to grow smart and sell better. Let's turn your catalog in a profitable machine. Reach out now and let's talk growth. Thank you for watching my video.